Exciting news! Your brand new van is on its way. Like all vans, it needs regular maintenance and care. While your warranty covers a lot, there will be costs that it won't include. Don't worry, we've got you covered with our ServicePlus package. Spreading the inevitable expenses with our ServicePlus package makes it easier for you to budget your maintenance costs. You don't have to face a large bill to keep your van in great condition. The benefits of our ServicePlus plan include servicing, unlimited tyre puncture repair and replacements, accident assistance, breakdown recovery, and MOTs for the duration of your contract. You can also get 24-hour technical support from our One Call Does It All helpline, giving you total peace of mind that you'll get the help you need when you need it. To find out more about ServicePlus, head over to the Vehicle Protection page on globalvans.co.uk. Or if you have any questions, just give us a call on 01179 625 314. We'll be happy to help.